So Sharon actually told me that I should not travel before she gives birth. So I stood by it. I cancelled my journey. I already booked the journey. I can't cancel am. Can't carry and go. I can't say, okay, when you want make a take child, you can't say at least 2 weeks after she done born. I can't drag her and go 2 weeks after she done born. I was with her in the hospital throughout. Now midday with her for hospital. And I'm happy I did it. You know what? I did happy say when my friend they alive, I was able to show her genuine love. She told me, she said, hey, thank God say I born for you. Who for fear do this one for me? You just day yes. Sharon is somebody who appreciates. Sharon is a loving person. Let me if I hear everything they talk, Sharon, I hear they look when they laugh. Sharon, with me, I know. Except say maybe for her house, now another character now she get. Sharon is very appreciative. If you give Sharon 5 naira, the way go take thank you, go be like saying 5 million, now you give Sharon. Now that same character, now her daughter, Mimi carry. If you buy one pin for me, Mimi go, oh, wow, so beautiful. So guys, I traveled on the 13th. Only for me, I just reached my journey. Phone call come. Who they call? So, Mama in OSA. I will put the screenshot of the WhatsApp call here. She called me. Hey, they to rowa. I guess you know. Je, what's you oh where? I say where hospital? I say where hospital? You what grave? That means the case is serious. What's you know? We am I? As she cut that call, I was in complete confusion. Like, who I go call now? I have a brother here. You know, many people know my brother in radio. And my brother is very close to Sharon. My brother be like brother to Sharon. Because most of the things that Sharon they do for this city. Now my brother they help and they do am. Go reach, maybe she want to go see lawyer. She want to go do anything. And the boy they follow and go. So I called him. I said, see oh. Now he tell me, say, see where in day a little bit far. Now I call one of our other friend. Now say, babe, how far where you dey? See wetin dey happen. Now I come say, okay, immediately that one call taxi. She rush go hospital. Now I was not looking for them to give me information about what is going on. As I did the holiday, I'm not comfortable going on. So immediately I carry my phone. All the hotel bookings cancelled. I carry my phone, buy ticket. I tell my mom, say, mommy, no vex. Now you are the one carry. Now you are carry come this holiday before to come to relax yourself. Because my mother they work for school. So when school day holiday, till the day house at least they want resume now make me be one every year we dey travel go holiday. Even that last year Sharon follow us go. All of una see the video where we go swim for see do everything. Many of una see those videos. So now so I take carry my phone rebook another ticket back to Italy. Now so we take come back. That very day where I come back, it was a public holiday. No motor, nothing they work. I took taxi from the train station down to my house. Then I got prepared. I come ask them, waiting me the time of the visit. They come tell me, say, 1 and 6. That our friend where they go. We went to see Sharon, only for me to see Sharon. She was in a critical condition. And I had faith. I told all my friends, I said, this is not time to cry. This is time for all of us to have faith. Because Sharon might be fighting to come back. And she might need all of us to have strength to come back. I ginger everybody. And after visiting Sharon, I went to the mother's place. I went to her place. And I saw that everything was going on fine there. People were around her. I had to greet her, say, mommy. And she asked me, what's the way here? And I said, I was giving her reports. Because at this time, everybody needs to be strong. I told her, I said, we need to know strong. Because Sharon might be fighting to come back. Coma no. And you know, say, coma, person if they try to come back. I said, so she need our strength to be strong. And she said, okay. So this part where now they talk, say, now so I know they follow Mama Sharon play. That's why I know they respect the mama. I call her mommy. It's here. I never want they call her Madam 50 cents. Mommy, it's here. Maybe not need me. I can't begin they play voice note where me and her they talk for WhatsApp. Come out. So that was how we were going to the hospital morning and evening every day. And now me, now she the same message. Pastor want pray on me. Anybody want pray on me. Anybody na me. She go so women la will go. Whatever anyway now. The number pastor now. We phone your general na me. Na me. So this one narrative say I know they support the mama. I not be friend to the mama. I don't know where I get them from. I don't know who's telling you guys all those things. That is why I said whatever they have told you is a lie. Because I have evidence to everything. I'm going to screenshot our WhatsApp conversation and put it online for you guys to see that. To see the last day when me and Mama Sharon talk rich. I'll be coming to that. I don't want to jump. I want do this thing bit to bit. I don't want do live video. I want just explain am bit to bit. So the part of say we know they talk, that's why I come, that's so this, that's so that. Yes, as a friend, I need to ask questions when I come. Say, what sunu? I ask the mom, what sunu? Because me, I spoke to Sharon on the 12th, on Monday. I spoke to her and she told me, oh, I be get headache, I go hospital. I said, how you dey? I stood. I know say I stand that day. I stand. How you come dey? She go say, she's getting better. Say she won't even go buy medicine. Say they give her medicine to go buy. I never knew that was the last conversation I will ever have with Sharon. If I knew that was the last, I for no waiting to do. But I not be God. So that part when they talk say I dey get quarrel with the mother. I don't know where I've never quarreled with her before. Whoever is telling her anything, I don't know why they are doing it, but maybe God is using it to tell me something. I don't know. Or say I balik bejo. Take a video. So we'll go to the third lie. So the second one, as I just clarified myself, whoever wants to believe will believe. Who don't want to believe, Yoruba will say, "Wolo come, what can we go? Wagi or kema kasaloba." Sharon remember. So my happiness is I was able to show my friend genuine love, not be that fake one. Genuine love. I took her like a sister. She was always with me. When you say always, Sharon not stay 1 week, say we not see like 4-5 times. All my neighbors know her. Everybody from my compound know her. She will come my house, enter anywhere where she like. This house now her house. There's no difference between my house and her house. So that is my joy, that I was able to show her genuine love while she was alive. So anything you guys have to say, that is your own cup of tea. Hello guys, I'm not supposed to be doing this, but I have to do it because if lies don't too much, you need to clarify yourself. For the past few weeks where I lost my very dear friend turned sister Sharon, a lot of lies has been said about me, that I'm here to say my own side of the story. I'm not here for many talk, but let me just hit the point briefly. So first, many people, some of you presenters, I know say now on our job, I need to feed my family. So, but doing this on our job, I need to be very careful because many of you, they carry too many lies. They go. I'm not here to come and tell you not to stop doing your lies until one day when you go meet somebody, we go finally drag una enter where una no know. Then una go know say this job una they do so, not be the right job. I'm not here because of that. So first, some of you accuse me say I planner, I travel, and I make me. And I travel so that something will come happen for back. Some even call me fake friend. They call me this. Now so I know they mourn. Now so this. Now so that. First I traveled. That journey was supposed to be before Sharon give birth. Sharon herself now begged me say, I don't want born for your back. If you shift this your journey, now take shift them. Sharon was not supposed to born on the 31st. Sharon was supposed to give birth on the 4th of August. That was her due date. 30th she was in my house. Till about 11 p.m. before she go out. 31st night she enter labor around 2 a.m. Now she enter labor, take go hospital. That is not why I'm here. Sharon gave birth on the 31st. I was with her in the hospital from morning to evening. As she called me that to 7 in the morning. I don't born. I say, this is how you call me in the morning. You don't born. Now so I take rush. I shower, I rush, go hospital. I was there from morning to evening. The next day I was also there because there for hospital you need somebody to help you. Somebody to help you go, let me do this one, let me do that one. I was there with her all through. Until like on the 2nd when she come talk say I beg if you as I come on the 2nd, if they go ask let me collect my baby for my mama hand, make you go take care of her. And the mother by herself give me the baby for McDonald's there now for meat for Via Amelia. We met, she gave me Mimi and I carry Mimi enter McDonald's, we eat, then we go out. Even when we go out, I even made a video inside the bus where I sent to Sharon because I know say Sharon love her daughter so much. When you say person love picking, Sharon love Mimi like. So as she did hospital, anything we go make her day happy. I was always doing it. I video myself and Mimi. The video, I'll put it here. I can't tell her, say, will they go out? So see. Say, I love you. I'll put it on my reels later. Go and see. So that's for that. As she was discharged, she told me, bring Mimi, come. My mother's side. I said, okay. Now me even first her reach her mama side before she come back from hospital. She come meet me and meet me for her mama side. So all this one they talk say me and her mama they quarrel like how we have never quarreled. Don't you want make me follow Madam 50 Cent quarrel? Mama Sharon quarrel. Me and her will not be age mates, will not be friends. The only thing that links us together is Sharon, because me and a person will not come up for house. All the African bar for my radio Emilia, they know say you can never see me in African bar. The only bar you can see me is Mama Sharon's bar, and because of Sharon, me and Mama Joey. When I go why he winner or what. Now so my life be right from time. Maybe because I went to a boarding school, so I'm used to that kind of life. So all of you saying that I spent 4 days, I spent 3 days. Oh, Sharon gave birth on the 31st. I traveled on the 13th. That's after 2 weeks. You can do the mathematics yourself. 2 weeks, because I felt Sharon was okay now. Sharon was strong now. And I never knew such thing will happen. And I only left because another of our friend, she traveled all the way from Germany to come and help. Now she even the bath baby, they do everything. And I want to say thank you to all Sharon friends where they criticize online. I want to say thank you to all of you, because you guys have been a nice friend to Sharon. Sharon, they tell me how Unate impact her life. Although now she's no longer with us, they call Una bad names. They say Una be fake friends, Una be bad people, but all of you have impacted Sharon's life. If I begin to call names, Una where they Germany, where they Sharon they stay with, anytime where she come, Una know Una self. I don't want to put Una name, maybe they not call the saga Una. Thank you. You guys were so. Sharon told me how you took good care of her, how she they feel at home when she did with you. To all Sharon's friend that stood for her when she was here, I want to say thank you to all of you. They drag Una for social media, Mona not look am, Mona just pay deaf ears to them, because they need to chop. So if they not drag Una, they not go get food, because they not get any other work where they do. So their only job is to bring you guys down so that you can put food on their table. So that is the first one I'm here to debunk. I traveled on the 13th of August. Sharon gave birth on the 31st of July. So you can do the mathematics yourself. Those of you saying I left 4 days, I left 1 day, I left 2 days. Please, I didn't leave 2 days. I didn't leave 4 days. I didn't leave 5 days. I left after 14 days. So I guess I'm able to answer that one now. So I'll be doing subsequent videos to debunk each of the lies they have lied on me. So this is the first one. It will be continued for the second phase. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.